Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming the FX Console plugin is installed and enabled in your host application. Once done, open the console using the hotkey or menu command. This gets you straight to tools without extra clicks. Make sure the console has input focus and is docked or floating where you can see effects and parameters. You're now ready to start creating. The console lists presets and recent actions so you can jump into the next step quickly. You load an effect or preset from the console and preview the result in real time. As you tweak key parameters, watch the visual output and use brief test playback to confirm behavior. Once satisfied, chain additional effects by dragging them into the stack and reorder to control processing order. This directly changes the final look. Make sure to save your custom preset or snapshot so you can recall the exact combination later, which speeds up future edits. You finish by baking or rendering effects and choosing export settings that match your delivery requirements. Pick codecs, resolution, and quality presets deliberately. After export, save the session and export any custom presets so your exact setup is preserved. If things go wrong, visual glitches, slow previews, or missing effects, reset the console cache, verify GPU drivers and plugin versions, then restart the host. These steps resolve most issues and get you back to working quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.